Hot honey, winter squash, and chickpeas bring a perfect blend of sweet heat to this dinner for two. Place the squash on the parchment-lined sheet pan and give it a brush with some olive oil in the cavity and edges to get it nice and brown. Add some thyme, the sprigs, salt, and some garam masala. Place the cut side down and pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now let's start on the chickpeas. Toss them with a little bit of garam masala, red onion, and a little bit of salt. Give them a good toss and a tablespoon of hot honey for the sweet heat factor. We're going to place them on the roasting pan and pop them in the oven until they're nice and golden brown. Then we're going to season the roasted squash and the chickpeas with a little bit of vinegar, some hot honey, and then we're going to begin to fill. Stuff the chickpea mixture into the squash's cavity, give it a drizzle of that hot honey, and if you're in the mood, add a dollop of creamy yogurt for a cool, tangy finish. Serve and enjoy this warm, comforting dish that's perfect for two. Subscribe below and check for the recipe on ourtablefor2.com.